Hi, this is Jeff Green. Welcome to another episode of This Old Boat. Today we're going to take this LifePO4 battery apart. It's one I bought and it failed on me out while I was putting around on my dinghy. And we're going to open it up and see what it looks like inside. So what I've done is I've working my way around and removing the top seal. So just took my screwdriver and I'm wedging it in here, working my way around, and I'm going to finish that and then we'll take it apart. Alright, we've taken off the top seal all the way around the battery. Now let's open it up and see what we got. Well, as near as I can tell, based on this, it looks like moisture got into the casing. You can see a little bit down there that there's some moisture. Yeah, that looks like what happened. So we're going to take it apart even further and see what we can find out. Alright, what I found was the casing was just held in there with pressure. So once I took it off from the stand, or out of the case, it's just held in there with pressure on these two sides. So what I'm looking for now is some sort of fuse system that would have caused it to fail. So once you get inside the battery, it's just a little, I don't know if it's plastic, I would say just a little piece of plastic held on with tape. And inside, as in most things, there's just a circuit board. So what I'm looking for now is some sort of fuse system. I think these right here may be the fuses, but I'm going to try to find something more conventional. So you can definitely see the moisture inside the battery, and there's a little corrosion on this particular terminal, so it's definitely water, but I don't see any conventional fuse. So I think this unit right here is what's providing all the intelligence for the battery. So I've actually repaired the battery, went online, and once you dry it out, if you hook it up to another fully charged lithium battery, it will reset the controls in this module and return continuity. So I have it working. I'm just going to dry it out a little bit. You can see here that there's just tons of moisture inside the case. So I'm going to dry it out, put it back together, and we'll see how it goes. Success. All right, everything is dry. It's time to put this thing back together. So I'm going to start with this original casing. Everything back together. Okay, the first thing I noticed is that I put the battery in backwards. So these are where the cables go through. So I need to spin this around so that it fits properly in the box. Alright, now we have it properly in the box. Close the lid down, peel the plastic back a little bit. Battery back in the case. Terminals hooked up. We're going to tighten those down, and then we're going to put the cover back on. Test it with our voltmeter. Voila! Free voltage, fully charged. Now while I caulk that seal, I'm putting the other lithium battery on top of it so that it keeps it tight while the caulk dries. So this is the caulk I'm using. It's a standard waterproof sealant. It's going to be 100% waterproof. Put it here in my gun. Cut the tip off. Oh yeah.